Welcome to the fastest way to learn data structures and algorithms. Today, we're simplifying your coding interview prep with LeetCode 228, Summary Ranges. This is a perfect problem for mastering array traversal and grouping logic. Let's get into it. We are given a sorted array of unique integers. Our job is to return the smallest sorted list of ranges that cover all these numbers exactly. For example, if we have 0, 1, and 2, that's a single range from 0 to 2. If the next number is 4, the previous range is closed, and a new range starts at 4. It's all about finding continuous sequences. We'll use a simple single-pass approach with a start pointer. As we iterate through the array, we check if the current number is exactly one more than the previous one. If it is, the range continues. If it isn't, we've hit a gap. We format the range we just finished, either as a single number or a start-to-end string, add it to our result, and reset our start pointer to the new number. We repeat this until we reach the end of the array. Look at the screen. Our input array is 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, and 7. We initialize our result list as empty. We start at index 0. The value is 0. This is the start of our first range. Moving to index 1, the value is 1. Since 1 is exactly 0 plus 1, the range continues. At index 2, the value is 2. 2 is 1 plus 1, so the range still continues. Now, at index 3, the value is 4. Wait. 4 is not 2 plus 1. There's a gap. We close the first range from 0 to 2, and add the string 0 to 2 to our result. Our new range starts here, at 4. At index 4, the value is 5. 5 is 4 plus 1, range continues. Finally, at index 5, the value is 7. Another gap. We close the range 4 to 5, and start a new range at 7. Since there are no more numbers, we close the final range, which is just the single number 7. Our final result is 0 to 2, 4 to 5, and 7. Clean and efficient. In Python, we initialize an empty list called res and a pointer I starting at 0. We use a while loop to traverse the entire array. Inside, we mark the start of our current range as nums at index I. Then, we use a nested while loop to find how far this range goes. As long as I plus 1 is within bounds, and the next number is exactly nums at index I plus 1, we just increment I. Once the nested loop breaks, we check, did our range have more than one number? If start is not equal to the current nums at index I, we format it as start arrow end. If they are equal, it's just a single number string. We append this to res, increment I to move to the next potential range, and repeat. For time complexity, we visit each element in the array exactly once, even with the nested loop, because the pointer I only ever moves forward. So it's O of n, where n is the number of elements. For space complexity, excluding the output list, we only use a few variables for our pointers, so it's O of one constant space. And that's how you summarize ranges like a pro. If this breakdown made the logic click for you, hit that like button and subscribe to Leo Academy for more premium DSA guides. See you in the next one.